Hello guys, so today I want to read special poem for my cats under the title Grateful for the creature called cat. Oh Allah, every time my eyes fall upon that small gentle creature, my heart falls into gratitude. How truly kind you are, how tender in your creation, that from your hand came a being able to calm the human heart. More than 1,000 lectures, more than countless words. A cat, a tiny miracle shape, with eyes as soft as dusk, with step as light as whispered prayers, with a voice so gentle. It shoots every lesser's corner of the soul, as if you were saying, "This is my gift for you, your comfort, your relief, your quiet happiness." And I testify, O Allah, that you hid so much mercy in every scent of their food, that you forbade their flesh to be eaten, as that you wish to remind us that this creature is not for consumption, but for affection, for warmth, for companionship in a world that so often feels heavy. And every time I see them, my knees weaken, overcome by softness and delight. The way they walk, the innocent gaze that seems to whisper, "I'm safe with you." And at that moment, I simply cannot resist. I want to kiss their tiny head, to stroke their back, to gently pinch their fluffy cheeks, until they pour some blood, as if thanking me in their own secret language. And their scent, O Allah, MashaAllah, a fragrance no perfume can imitate, a sweetness that turns into a beautiful addiction, a scent that warms the chest, as if you breathe tranquility into every inch of their fur. There are companions who never judge, who never demand repayment, who simply exist, sleeping, sitting, meowing softly, and somehow dissolve all my stress without saying a single word. Oh Allah, if one day you call me home, I carry one small wish, that I hope reach the gates of paradise. Allow me in Jannah to be surrounded by countless cats, running toward me, as if they have always known me, curling up in my lap, with no fear, no pain, no death, only eternal comfort, eternal joy, eternal companionship. I'm very grateful, O Allah, that you created a creature capable of softening the human heart so effortlessly. If this world is a long journey, then cats are the sweetest spouse you ever gifted me. And I'm grateful, so deeply grateful, that you allow me to love them. Thank you very much. Hello.